Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of plants. Have you ever wondered how plants eat? It's a fascinating process that happens right before our eyes, yet we rarely notice it. They don't have mouths, so no pizza for them. Bummer, right? But don't feel too bad for them, because guess what? They make their own food. That's right, plants are like tiny chefs whipping up meals from scratch. It's like having a superpower. Imagine being able to create your own food whenever you need it. This incredible process is called photosynthesis. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's truly amazing. Imagine a leaf as a food factory, powered by sunshine. Cool, right? It's like having a solar-powered kitchen. The ingredients are simple: water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight, just like a recipe, but for plants. Water gets sucked up by the roots like a straw, traveling all the way up to the leaves, while carbon dioxide enters through tiny holes in the leaves called stomata. These are like little doors for air. They're like little mouths, but for air, not pizza. Isn't that fascinating? Now let's sneak inside the leaf factory and see where the magic happens. Get ready to be amazed by the inner workings of this natural wonder. Inside each plant cell there are these awesome green organelles called chloroplasts. Think of them as solar panels that capture sunlight. And the secret ingredient? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment that gives plants their green color. It's like a superhero with a special power absorbing sunlight. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis would be a total flop, like a pizza without cheese. Sad. But chlorophyll is not just about looks. It plays a vital role in converting sunlight into chemical energy. It's like turning on the oven in our leaf factory. Now let's talk about the first shift in our food factory, the light-dependent reactions. These reactions happen in the thylakoid membranes, which are like assembly lines inside the chloroplasts. Here's how it goes. Chlorophyll captures sunlight and uses its energy to split water molecules. Think of it like a karate chop. This split releases energy, which is used to make energy-carrying molecules called ATP and NADPH. These guys are like little batteries, storing energy for later. But wait, there's more. Remember those stomata, the little air mouths? They've been busy taking in carbon dioxide, which is crucial for the next step in our delicious journey. Section 4. Sweet Success, Making Sugar with the Calvin Cycle. In this section, we will explore how plants create their own food using a fascinating process. Next up, we have the Calvin cycle, which takes place in the stroma, the open space inside chloroplasts. This is where the magic happens, deep within the plant cells. This cycle doesn't need light directly, but it relies on the energy from those ATP and NADPH batteries we charged earlier. Think of it as using stored energy to power a complex machine. The Calvin cycle is like the final baking process in our food factory. Just as a baker uses ingredients to create a delicious treat, the plant uses energy and raw materials to produce something essential. It uses the energy from ATP and NADPH, along with carbon dioxide, to build sugar molecules, mainly glucose. This process is a series of chemical reactions that transform simple molecules into complex sugars. It's like putting together a delicious pizza with all the right toppings. Each step adds a new layer of flavor and nutrition, just like each reaction in the Calvin cycle adds to the final product. This glucose is the plant's food, providing energy for growth, reproduction, and all the awesome things plants do. Without this vital process, plants wouldn't be able to thrive and support life on Earth. It's like the pizza finally coming out of the oven, hot and ready to eat. The plant's hard work pays off, resulting in the energy it needs to grow and flourish. Section 5. Photosynthesis. It's a gas and sugar. So there you have it, the incredible journey of photosynthesis. This process is nothing short of a miracle of nature happening right before our eyes every single day. We saw how plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own food like magic, but with more science. It's a complex dance of elements and energy, transforming simple ingredients into the sustenance that fuels life. They have their own little factories inside their leaves, powered by the sun and run by tiny but mighty organelles called chloroplasts. These chloroplasts are like the unsung heroes, tirelessly working to keep the plant alive and thriving. And guess what? Photosynthesis isn't just important for plants, it's crucial for all life on Earth. Without it, we wouldn't have the oxygen we breathe or the food we eat. It releases oxygen into the atmosphere, which we need to breathe. Every breath we take is a gift from the plants around us, a reminder of their vital role in our ecosystem. Plus, it helps regulate the Earth's climate. By absorbing carbon dioxide, plants play a key role in mitigating climate change and maintaining the balance of our environment. So next time you see a plant, give it a high five, or maybe a gentle pat, for being so awesome and essential for our planet. Keep on photosynthesizing, plants. Your hard work doesn't go unnoticed, and we are forever grateful for the life-sustaining magic